This literature kit on Dear Mr. Henshaw by Beverly Cleary is developmentally appropriate for students with special needs who read at a lower grade level. 55 pages chocked full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Students predict who Mr. Henshaw might be and why he would be receiving a letter. Find antonyms to the vocabulary words found in the novel. Answer multiple choice questions about Leigh. Create a to-do list for writing based on what Mrs. Badger suggests to Leigh. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as imagining how Leigh and Mr. Henshaw's relationship would progress through the years and writing a new letter from Leigh as an adult. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Identify and locate the cities Mr. Henshaw wrote to Leigh from. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.